Your iPhone is quietly exposing your data, and Safari is the reason. Fix this in the next few minutes. 1. Privacy and security setting. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Apps. In these, find Safari. Search engine suggestions. When on, every word you type is sent to Google or Bing before you even hit search. That's a direct privacy leak. Turn it off. Safari suggestions. This sends everything you type to Apple's servers for suggestions. If you care about privacy, turn this off too. Quick website search. If you don't actively use it, turn it off to reduce data sharing even more. Next, scroll down. Prevent cross-site tracking. Turn this on. This stops websites from tracking you across other websites. Hide IP address from trackers. Turn on Hide IP address from trackers so advertisers can't fingerprint you online. Your IP address reveals your location, network, and identity. Fraudulent website warning. Turn this on. This protects you from fake banking sites, scam pages, and phishing links. Never turn this off. 2. Clear history and website data. Now tap Clear history and website data. This removes browsing history, cookies, tracking files, and hidden cached data. If you ever shared your phone or bought it used, this step is mandatory. Do this once every 1 to 2 weeks to keep Safari fast and clean. 3. Advanced website data. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Then Website data. Here you'll see every website storing data on your iPhone. Some sites store huge tracking files silently. If you see anything suspicious, tap Remove All Website Data. This instantly restores speed and removes hidden tracking. 4. Camera, microphone, and location protection. Go to Safari settings and set all of the following to Ask. Set camera from Allow to Ask. Set microphone from Allow to Ask. Set location from Allow to Ask. This ensures no website can access your camera, mic, or location without your permission. This alone prevents silent spying. Bonus. Speed and security settings. In Safari app settings, scroll down here for downloads. Make sure your downloads are on my iPhone. This protects your files and avoids unnecessary iCloud syncing. For tabs, set close tabs to after 1 day. This keeps Safari fast and prevents memory overload. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe.